Here's how to lace shoes in a loose lace style so they slip straight on. Start by taking hold of your lace, and what we're going to do is bring each lace end down into the very bottom eyelets on the shoe from above, like this. So take this lace end down into the eyelet from above, pull it through a little bit, swap to the other lace end and take it down to that eyelet from above, just like this. And before you pull everything through, here's a little trick you can do. Take a hold of your lace ends, grab your shoe, and just pull that through. And what that means is they'll come out of equal length on either side. Now there's a little twist in that one. That's totally normal if you get twists, or if your laces aren't equal, just pause the video, make sure everything's even before we carry on. Great. Now we're going to keep a hold of this lace, and we're going to bring it over the shoe. And we're going to take it down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side this time. So just bring it over, down to that eyelet. Again, making sure you've got no twists. And taking your time to make sure everything looks really fresh. Looking good. Then swap to the other one and we're going to do the same. Take it over and down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Great. Then keep a hold of that lace and we're going to carry on that pattern. Take it over, down into the next empty eyelet, pulling it through. Swap to the other one, bring it over, down to the next eyelet, pulling it through. Now you don't want to be pulling these laces super tight because you have to get your foot in and out of this, and it is a loose style. So just keep that in mind. Now you can play this video on half speed or pause as much as you need to. Just go at your own pace. Great, now we're going to repeat that by keeping hold of this lace, bringing it over, down into the next empty eyelet on this side, pulling that through, smooth out the other one, take it over and down to the next empty eyelet on that side. Looking good. Keep a hold of it, bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet on this side, and the exact same with the other one. Take it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Now, when you reach the final eyelet, we're going to be doing something slightly different with the pattern here. Depending on your shoe size, you might have more or less eyelets than me, but just continue the pattern exactly that way until you reach the final one. Now what we're going to do slightly differently, keep a hold of this lace, and instead of taking it down into the eyelet, we're going to bring it up through the eyelet from underneath, if that makes sense. And we're going to pull it through around about this much. Don't worry about that excess lace. Instead, take a hold of your other one and do the same on this side. Pull back the canvas, bring that lace through around about that much through each eyelet. Then with this excess lace, all we're going to do is take that and slip it behind the shoe tongue, out of sight, and that will just sit on top of your foot, and it'll mean you can slip your feet in and out of your shoes without the need for tying them. Repeat on your other shoe and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace shoes. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more shoelacing content. I have tons of videos available to inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.